Hi, it's Dorita again, and I'm here with another very quick little math lesson for you. Now, we've talked a little bit about some counting strategies and some things like that, but right now what I want to talk about is making sure that your child truly understands place value, because place value is the system that allows us to use 9 digits and a 0, which is a placeholder, to actually construct or create any kind of number up to as big as we want it. And so one thing that I've noticed is that a lot of kids really don't understand that place value system. So what we're going to do is talk about it for just a minute. Now, I know that you all know what this represents. Okay, so we've actually got some digits. We've got 275 and 32. Now, what I want you to know, and what I want the kids to make sure that they realize, is that the digits represent a certain quantity. Now, this place is your ones. Okay, so this represents 5 ones. This 7 is not a 7 when it's in this spot. And I even have to remind my 5th graders of this. This 7 represents 70, 7 tens. And this 2 actually represents 2 hundreds. So even though they're looking at these, they're not looking at this, or they shouldn't look at this, as just a 2, a 7, and a 5. They should recognize that the 2 actually represents 200, the 7 represents 70, and the 5 is, of course, just a 5. Now, one reason, not a reason, but the way that you can make sure that they truly understand this is to get a couple of different numbers like this. Now, like I said, these are pretty simple, pretty elementary. Please, Thor. Thank you. Is to understand that, make a couple of numbers and have the same digit in different places in the numbers, and then make sure that your child or your student or whoever understands that the 2 in the top number has a way different value than the 2 in the bottom number because of the place that it occupies. And so that is one way to make sure that they understand the place value system. Now, it's very important that they begin to look at those numbers as values. Each digit is a specific value depending on where it is and what place that it has in the number. Now, and that's just really very basic, but it's really surprising how many kids don't have that concept down. They may tell you, oh, that's the tens place, but when you ask what the value of the digit is, they either say 7 or they say 10. They don't really get that it is 7 tens, that the value of the digit is the digit times the place. And so that's just something that if we realize that is something that they get a little confused about, then we can address that at home and at school. Also, another thing that's very good when we start talking about places is to actually give them money. Not necessarily real money, but, show how, ones can be represented with $1 bills, and then you could trade them in for a 10 once you get 10 of them. And then you could trade 10 tens to make 100. And so that kind of not only reinforces the place value, because you have one $10 bill that has the same value as your 10 $1 bills. And so that's also another good way to introduce the money system as well as our place value system. So thank you very much for listening to this little tip today, and we will be back with another math lesson very shortly. So thanks a lot, and if you'd like, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'm in the process of setting up a Facebook fan page. I'll let you know when that's ready. So thanks a lot, and we will see you on the next video.